Birds, Aves. 1. Defining features. Birds belong to the class Aves, a group of warm-blooded vertebrates distinguished by feathers, unique to birds, provide insulation, coloration, and aid in flight. Beaks, bills, without teeth. Lightweight skeletons, many bones are hollow, to reduce body weight. Wings, modified forelimbs, though not all birds fly, e.g., ostriches, emus, penguins. Hard-shelled eggs, amniotic, usually incubated by parents. Endothermy, ability to regulate internal body temperature. High metabolic rate to support flight and activity. Four-chambered heart, like mammals, ensuring efficient oxygen circulation. Unique respiratory system with air sacs that deliver continuous airflow through the lungs. 2. Evolutionary background. Birds are descendants of theropod dinosaurs, small, feathered species like Archaeopteryx are transitional fossils. Originated about 150 million years ago during the late Jurassic. Today, they are considered the last living dinosaurs. 3. Diversity. Birds are one of the most diverse vertebrate groups, with 11,000 species worldwide. They inhabit nearly every ecosystem: forests, deserts, oceans, tundra, wetlands, and urban environments. Ranges in size from the bee hummingbird, 5 cm, 2 g, to the ostrich, up to 2.7 m, 150 kilograms. 4. Major bird groups, orders. Some key orders of Aves include Passeriformes, perching birds/songbirds, the largest order, 60% of all species. Accipitriformes, hawks, eagles, vultures. Anseriformes, ducks, geese, swans. Psittacines, parrots, macaws, cockatoos. Strigiformes, owls. Spheniciformes, penguins. Struthionoformes, ratites, ostriches, emus, rheas. 5. Adaptations. Flight, aerodynamic body, strong chest muscles, keeled sternum for wing power. Vision, exceptional eyesight, some see ultraviolet light. Communication, songs, calls, dances, plumage displays for territory and mating. Migration, many species travel thousands of kilometers seasonally, e.g. Arctic tern migrates 70,000